you doing? What's up, people? It's Saturday. Come chill with me. Come chill with me. My nose is itching. Somebody's getting blessed. Somebody's getting blessed. How you doing? Some of you out there have the new G7, Dexcom G7. I got mine, baby, on my arm. G7. So I've been doing that. That's what's been going on in my neck of the woods. And I've been doing that, keeping track of my meter, keeping track of my numbers. Yep, keeping track of my numbers. Keeping track of my numbers. And what I'm about to do, I'm about to get me something to eat. Something to eat. I'm about to eat. Alright. So I got my number. Take my medication. Today I'm showcasing Jay's crabs. I have a menu. I have a menu in my book. My book of our restaurants we love to eat. We love to eat it. I have, yes, it's right there. I have our album of restaurants we love to dine at. I know I have one in here. I know I got one in here somewhere. I talked to you about Pete's Pizzeria, how good they're doing. Lucy's, oh, here it is. This is an old menu. But I'm sure they have newer ones now. I know his prices probably change. I wrote over this one. I did. But I'm sorry, this is Jay's Crabs. Jay's Crabs. But Jay's and James by Tommy. Jay's Seafood by Tommy. The son took over. The dad was running this, but then the son took over Tommy. So he has a very wide selection: Dungeness crab, snow crab, shrimp, mussels, lobster tails, little neck, top neck, scallops. He also has blue crabs. It's not the season for those. These are blue crabs. But it's not the season for that just yet. That starts in June. Between June and September, like usually the holiday, in September, that's the season for blue crab. But all the other crabs, it's fine. It's fine. Year round, it's fine. Just as long as you don't mess up the population. Alright, keep those females going. Alright, keep those females going. Alright, that's my little menu. And you always seeing me eating crabs with my hubby. He knows I love my seafood. And one of my secrets from my fountain of youth. Along with other things. Along with a lot of other things. Oh, I'm about to reveal it. I wonder what he got me. He was quiet about this. He went inside and ordered. I wonder what he got me. So you can see me. You can join me. Oh. What time is it? It's 1:11. And he has a drench with his special butter. Ooh. Oh, I see you, honey. Oh. Okay, he got me snow crab. Can you see it? That's what it looks like. Oh, isn't that wonderful? He got me snow crab and Dungeness crab, shrimp, corn, broccoli, and potatoes. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's so pretty. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh, you love me. Thank you, honey. Excuse me. I'm the only one that's going to be eating this. They're not into that. I'm the only one that's going to be eating it. Oh, that's my recycle. I said, don't pay that no more. That's my recycle. But, yeah. Got snow crab. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at that. Delicious. I'm going to put that right here. And this is the Dungeness. These are beautiful. You talk about some good meat. That's what a Dungeness crab looks like. That's a Dungeness crab. You know? Alright. So, I got snow crab. He was light on the butter today because he told him to be light on it for me. Because right now, I visited some kids last week at the daycare, and I read to the children at the daycare, and they gave me a special hug. I know you can hear it in my voice. Those little angels. Little babies. Oh, God. My sister notified me that they passed it all around at her daycare. God. Whew. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing much better than earlier today. I did not know A&W root beer would clear me out. If you have phlegm and you have mucus, here you go. A&W root beer will get it out. God. Oh, that was disgusting. But I'm going to enjoy this. This feast. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, this looks so good. I got to get it in here so you can see. All right. Oh, my. This is wonderful. Look at that claw. Look at that claw. Isn't that beautiful? I don't have my cracker with me. I do have a cracker. But I don't have it in front of me right now. I'll be fine. I'll put it right there. Alright. Just sit and chill with me. Sit and chill. Sit and chill. Didn't mean that. Just sit and sit down. Relax. Relax. Sit down. Relax. Relax. Enjoy the peace and quiet. All right. That's good. Oh, it's so succulent. This crab is good. God, this is good. Nice and succulent. Oh. No. You know, you can't eat the ribs. I do eat ribs, the ribs. Believe me, it works. It works. Keeps you youthful and young. It works. It works. Now if it's too hard, I won't swallow. Only the soft parts. It works. That was good. Now that was a Dungeness. Let me show you the meat. It's thick. It's real thick. That's what's in one part of the Dungeness. That's just one part of a leg. That's how big it is. Very good. Oh, my hubby treated me today. Thank you, honey. That meat, that's all meat. Good. It's so good. Ooh, look at that claw. Oh, that's good. Ooh, that was good. Look at that. Oh my God, it's good. I'll save that for later. Yeah, I'm using the G7. It's good. It's a good one. They tweaked it a lot. It's better than the G6. This is more. It's more. It's more high tech than the other one. Excuse me. It's more high tech. But you have to be careful when you get in the shower. I love taking showers. And I do love my baths, my bubble baths. I do love my bubble baths. But you gotta get careful. You gotta be careful because you can't get it wet. Don't try to get it wet. My husband did buy some covers for it. We have not used them yet, but we will. He got his first, and then I got mine. Excuse me. He's doing excellent too. He's doing real good, real good, real good. I slimmed down a lot. I slimmed down a lot. Excuse me. I slimmed down a lot. I didn't put my hair into a hairstyle today. I went just it's all natural today. And I've been posting my little hairstyle I've been doing. And my sister getting on me. Do your hair net. I'm like, okay. So I did my hair. I'm still doing it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Pardon me. I'm still doing my hair. Everywhere I'm going, everywhere I've been, People have been complimenting me on my hairstyle. The last person that saw me, she was like, "Oh my God, I didn't know you could put your hair like that in the hairstyle." She was like, "That's beautiful." I had my little kitten ears, my 2 balls on top, my little ears, and I did it different in the back. And she was like, "Oh my God!" In a Pokélicious video, she was at the riverfront with me, and she was like, "Oh." And she was like, "That's all your hair?" I said, "Yes." It got much longer. It's going down my back now. It got much longer. Mine is cut into layers. My hairstyle grew out. That I had my hair cut into layers, and they're growing out into layers. So instead of it all being one length, like a big chop, it's different layers. So she would compliment me on my hair. And I was like, yeah. But those of you who saw me with my hairstyle, giving a shout out to my little sister. She's not little anymore. She's a grown woman. My sister Patricia. At her hands. She's right on Instagram. She's on Facebook. Okay. She's taking appointments. Call her up. Hit her up. Whatever. She does men. She does male and female. Natural. Locks. You want braids? She's really into locks right now, I would say. But if you want cornrows or something like that, sure. I'm sure she would. But she's more based on natural nowadays, okay? This is good. I'm gonna go back to the crab. 1 second. And if somebody wants to see the crab, hold on. I'm gonna show you. Alright, this is the snow crab. Yeah, that's the claw. That's the difference between that claw. I'll show you the difference. This is a snow crab. This is the Dungeness. See the difference? That's the difference. Snow crab, Dungeness. This is bigger. They're both delicious. Both delicious. Peace be with you. Peace be with you. Peace be with you. Peace be with you. And those of you who are sick in your bodies, I don't catch colds. I don't catch colds a lot. I don't. I don't. Because I watch what I eat. I watch what I eat. I watch what I drink. I'm very cautious of what I put in my body and what I do. So, my husband came to me one time. He was like, "Nah, you never get sick. What are you doing?" Like that. I was like, "Well, I take care of myself for one." You be bringing them nasty colds from them people out there who being nasty on the job. Like that, I was just joking. I know his friends are watching me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Nah, but seriously, if you wonder what do I do to stay healthy? Well, I make sure I take my vitamins for one. I read a lot. I'm always reading. Let me see. What else? I'm just very cautious of what I do. Very cautious. I'm trying not to crack it with my teeth. I know what to do. It broke off. Shit. I know what to do. It was a chopstick anyway. It don't matter. There we go. I'm gonna get it through that way. I'm trying not to do my teeth. I don't want to do it with my teeth. Because I don't want to mess my teeth up. But I will get into it. There you go. Ooh. I got a grip on it. There you go. Alright. Had to use some of my strength there. I got it. Thank you. Broke my chopstick. Oh, nigga. You know you did. I got you. I got you. I got you. You ain't need to see all that. Showing you how strong I am. Excuse me. Excuse me. I was just kidding. I love you people. Nah. But that is one thing. If you work in a daycare or in a school system, man, them kids. I don't know where they get them clothes from. Good God. I don't know where to get it from. God. But I'm on a new medication though to help me lose my weight. I'm not gonna say what it is. Because when I let everybody know about the Ozempic and the Trulicity, it was hard for me to get my own medication. So, I didn't know everybody in the world would hear that video. Oh my God. No, when I reach my goal, I'll let you know. But right now, no. I'm keeping it to myself till I'm ready to reach my goal. God. Good Lord. I said, wait a minute now. Me and my husband were having trouble getting our medication. We was like, wait a minute, oh. I was like, we're sorry, but we're backed up. Even people who weren't diabetic getting Ozempic or just to lose weight. Wow. That was something. What year was that? I think that was 2018, 2017. I did a video on it. The potatoes are good. And the broccoli too. They're good. He has them seasoned with butter. His special seasoning. He has mild, hot. I don't know if it's real, very hot, or hotter, a hotter one than that. I don't know. But usually it's mild or hot. Oh my, my, my. This is good. Ooh, look at that meat. See that meat? Take a bite. All right. All right. I'm glad you're doing good. I'm glad you're in good spirit. I'm glad you're healthy. You're strong. I'm glad you're doing good. I'm glad you're doing good. Now in my video of Farmers Market, Newark Farmers Market, we were in that area. We didn't go in. But we were around that area. But, ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's a whole huge lump of meat. Look at that. Wow. Oh, take a bite. Take a bite. It's bigger than my thumb. All right. That's good. Now, that was a piece of lung. Don't eat the lungs. Don't eat the lungs. Don't eat the lungs. Ooh. Fat and juicy. How big that leg is. You're a thick, fat, juicy leg girl. Oh, she's thick and juicy. One of them big girls. One of them big girls. Oh, snap. Look at that meat. Good God, look at that meat. Oh, girl. Thick and juicy. Somebody out there want to be a big girl. Well, guess what? If you want to be a big girl, I'm gonna say a quick prayer for you. God, you hear them, God? They want to be a big girl. He gonna talk to you. And I got a disclaimer. If he make you a big girl, it's on God, not on me. I love you, Father. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's wild because before I had my son, I was a pear shape. I figured I was a pear shape before I had my son, but I bloomed up top before I even hit puberty. When I was little, I had a top. Before I hit my puberty, I had a top. I had a large top. But even though I had a large top, I was pear-shaped. When I had my son, when I was a teenager, I became an hourglass shape. So, thanks to my lovely mother, who raised me with hips and thighs. Now, if you don't have it in your genetics, and you don't have it in your family line, to have big legs and big hips, there's certain things you can do in the gym to help you. So, get you a trainer, work at it. Work at it. You don't have to go to surgery. You can do it the healthy way. You can do it the healthy way. Believe me, sitting on your behind, eating and sitting on your behind, will make your butt spread. Even some women have to go as far as having a baby to start grabbing to get bigger hips and thighs. So it depends on the person. It depends on the person. Some women never gain weight until they had a child. That's what I'm trying to say. This is good. Look at that. Oh. Woohoo! And there's a hoagie shop, a sub shop next to Jay's. They sell specialty subs, special to order. So check them out. They're really good. That's what the review on YouTube. You can look for that review. Hold on, let me get my phone and see what the name is. But I did take a picture of their sign. One second. One second. Excuse me. It's called Holmes. 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 Hear that? Holmes. Hoagies. All right. In Delaware. Check them out. I did not get a menu from him. For those of you who don't eat pork, check him out. You're on a restriction because of your faith. Some people don't eat pork because of their faith. Not just Muslim people. Some Christians don't eat pork. Whatever your beliefs are, some people don't even do it because of religion or beliefs. They just do it because of health-wise. They just don't want to eat pork. So they specialize in sandwiches that don't have pork. You can have all types of sandwiches there that don't have pork. And their review is very good. Check them out. Me and my hubby will check them out and give them a review. But just not today. We will. I'm going to keep it on my list to do. I'm gonna give it on my list to do. They're real good. Real good. All right. Well, I've had enough. I don't know why I have my obey. He never really needs any obey. He really doesn't. He does a good job with seasoning. With his seasoning, he does an excellent job. He really does. He really does. It's real delicious. So I have one snow crab left. But I don't know which size platter this is. Or does he have it by platter size? I think he goes by what type of crab it is. But this is what my husband ordered. He ordered shrimp with snow crab and Dungeness. He's mixed it up before for me. But this is good. Real good. But there's all types of crabs. All types. All types of crabs. Now, I'm not going to give out the price, but you do your own math. Excuse me. Do your own math. If it's affordable for you. Okay. I love you. Thank you for joining me for lunch. Thank you for chilling with me. Thank you for chilling. Thank you for chilling. I also want to give like a shout out for my brother. Team Says Auto in Virginia. Team Says Auto. He details. He does so much more than just detailing. He does a lot. He does a lot. It's just some of the things he does. You need your car serviced to be detailed. You're in Virginia, check him out. Team Seds Auto. That's my brother. There he is. That's my brother. All right. Give him a shout out. He's on Instagram. Cedric Newsom. He's on Instagram. There he is. He's on Instagram. So, alright. Go visit him. Alright, love ya. I hope you enjoyed today with me and my delicacy. I'm eating my crabs. My seafood. Eating with the grain. Checking out my music. I'm gonna shout out to them too. Music that Facebook will allow me to use. I'm not saying nothing else. Ah, gosh. I love you. Till we meet again. Bon appetit. Love you.